Good morning, and once again, here is your morning market brief. As always, we begin overseas, this time with the major Asian Pacific markets trading on the upside, with the Shanghai Composite rising a total of 1.48%. Meanwhile, in the European indices, they are mostly in positive territory, and U.S. stock futures are pointing towards a higher open. Now, in economic reports, we first begin with China, and its country's annual GDP figures did increase a total of 9.5% in the second quarter, therefore beating expectations. Meanwhile, retail sales in the nation also improved by a total of 16.8% for the month of June for the previous 6 months. Now, keeping it overseas in economic reports, the UK unemployment rate did fall by a total of 26,000 to come in at 2.45 million in the quarter for the month of May. The drop-off, though, was due mostly in part was attributed to school students going back to school. Meanwhile, jobless benefits in the nation did rise by a total of 24,500 to come in at 1.52 for the month of June. Meanwhile, import and export prices in the United States are soon to be released, and their consensus will be for a slight improvement. And global medical technology company Kinetic Concepts will be acquired by a consortium that will include private equity group Apex Partners for roughly $6.3 billion US. Video game maker Electronic Arts Incorporated is reported to be set to purchase PopCap Games for roughly $1.3 billion as it aims to compete with both Zynga as well as the other main companies in social gaming networks. And the U.S. Treasury budget for the month of June will be released at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and consensus is for the monthly budget to come in at $80 billion.